Hello everybody. My name is Roshan Kumar, and today I am going to presenting my environmental science case study on Amazon rainforest deforestation. The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth because of its crucial role in carbon absorption and supporting global biodiversity. In this presentation, I will discuss about what is the Amazon rainforest, what is the causes of deforestation, and what are the environmental and social impact due to deforestation, and what could be the optimal solutions uh, for we can restore the deforestation, and what lesson we are learned after this case study. So let's begin by understanding the importance of Amazon rainforest. So it covers millions of square kilometers across South America and contains an extraordinary variety of plants and animals. The Amazon is important for three main reasons. First one is biodiversity, because it is home to countless species. It is home to millions of species, many of which have not yet been scientifically uh, documented or found. Second one is carbon storage. The forest stores enormous amount of carbon in its tree and soil also, helping reduce the effects of climate change. And the third one is climate regulation. The Amazon influences rainfall patterns not only in South America but also in different parts of the world. So now, what is the background of the issue? Now we are going to discuss about what the main reason of this deforestation. So despite its importance, the Amazon faces a serious threat from deforestation. Over the past few decades, large areas of forest have been cleared by human activities. The main reasons include agricultural expansion by the tribal community or others, soybean cultivation, because the soil of this Amazon forest is very rich in nutrients, and also cattle ranching, logging, and mining activities. When forests are removed, rich ecosystems are replaced by farmland, roads, and industrial areas, so that human can get benefited after this. But actually, this is bad. This is not good for our ecosystem or for this biodiversity. Now, ecosystem under threats. Deforestation affects the entire ecosystem of the Amazon forest. One major consequence is habitat fragmentation. Instead of one large continuous forest, animals are left in a small isolated patches. This reduces breeding opportunities and increase extinction risks. Another consequence is species decline. Due to deforestation, species cannot find their home, so they become and go to the extinction. Many plants and animals lose their habitat and food sources, causing population reduction. The third impact is ecological imbalance. Natural processes such as nutrient cycling, water regulation, and forest regeneration become disrupted due to deforestation. Even if some forest remains isolated section, often cannot function as healthy ecosystem. Let's discuss about major drivers of deforestation. So there are four major drivers behind Amazon deforestation. The first and largest contribution is cattle ranching. Large forest areas are cleared to create grazing land for cattle production to get more cattle related products. The second driver is commercial farming, especially soybean cultivation. Forests are removed to grow crops that are exported to international markets to get more benefits. The third driver is illegal logging. Valuable timber is extracted from the forest, opening pathways for further destruction. The fourth driver is infrastructure development. Construction of roads, settlements, and industrial projects makes previously inaccessible forest areas available for exploitations. Now together these activities significantly accelerate forest loss, environmental and societal impacts. So in this, deforestation creates both environmental and societal consequences. From an environmental perspective, biodiversity decreases as a species lose habitats because a specific species needs a specific habitats. So when deforestation happens, they lose their habitat. So a species gradually decreases, go near to extinction. Carbon emission is increased because stored carbon is released into the atmosphere due to let's take an example. If carbon is stored inside the soil, if there is a deforestation caused, then carbon is emission happens and carbon come inside the atmosphere. So from a societal perspective, indigenous communities suffer displacement and cultural disruption because many depend directly on the forest for their livelihood and the way of life, how they are living. People also lose valuable ecosystem service such as clean water, medicinal plants, and natural resources. In long term, local economies that depends on healthy forest face serious challenges. Now discuss about the food web disruption due to this deforestation. These slides demonstrate the chain reduction caused by deforestation. The process begins with forest destruction. This leads to habitat loss, which reduce available in living spaces for animals and plants. As habitat shrinks, a species population decline. Eventually, food webs become disrupted because every species play a role within the ecosystem. When one part of the system is removed, many other species are affected. This shows the ecosystem are interconnected and damages in one area can create widespread consequences. Recovery of tropical rainforest ecosystem can take a decades or even centuries because this is very vast forest. Uh, so now discuss about the practical solution and what recommendation we can take care. So although the situation is serious, several practical solutions can help. The first solution is strengthening legal protection. Government must enforce environmental laws more effectively and increase penalties for illegal deforestation or illegal uh, entry inside that forest. The second solution is promoting sustainable agriculture. Farming methods such as agroforestry can increase production without destroying forest. The third solution is reforestation and restoration. Planting native species can help restore damaged ecosystem. The fourth solution is satellite monitoring and community participation. Modern technology can quickly detect illegal forest clearing, deforestation, illegal mining, uh, illegal cattle ranching, while local communities can help protect forest resources. A combination of these approaches uh, offer the best chances of preserving the Amazon forest. So now we are moving to key learnings and outcomes. Uh, uh, about this case study. This case study highlights several important lessons. First one is forests are essential for biodiversity, climate stability, and human well-being. The second one is ecosystem are highly interconnected. If one species uh, affected, then other automatically get affected. A change in one of the ecosystem affect many other components. Third one is human activities can cause long lasting and sometimes irreversible environmental damage. Uh, Finally, conservation and sustainable development must work together. Protecting nature does not mean stopping development. It means developing responsibly while preserving environmental resources. Uh, Now we have came here to conclusion of this case study. To conclude, the Amazon rainforest is one of the most important ecosystem on our planet. However, continuous deforestation threatens biodiversity, contribute to climate change, and harms local communities as well as all over the earth. It is harming the all over the world ecosystem and atmosphere due to climate change. Protecting the Amazon requires a stronger environmental policies, which have to strict rules, sustainable land use practices, technological monitoring, and public awareness. This is must. Uh, as a student and future professionals, we also have a responsibility to support environmental conservation and spread awareness about global ecological challenges. The future of Amazon depends on collective action taken uh, today. Mm. Because it's already get late. Now, thank you for listening. For this case study, I have collect the information from EVS course materials, research articles, and United Nations environmental reports. Also from the government and conservation organization data, academic journals and publication. Now, thank you for your attention. I would be happy to answer any question and participate in further discussion. Thank you.